Clair. What do you say we go for a hike? Johnny's daddy is not around right now, so we can sneak out of the truck.
I don't know, Lizzy. It's awfully crazy out there with that fire going on.
It's all right. We'll stay safe. We'll stick to the dozer line.
Okay, if you say so. I sure do like it out here. It's pretty in Northern California.
Yes, it is. Maybe I can find a buddy to hang out with. I hear there's a bunch of lizards in California.
This is so steep. You think we can make it to the top?
Yeah, just keep on going. All the way up to the top.
I don't know, Lizzy. I think I smell smoke.
I don't know. I'm looking up there, and it don't look good. Maybe we just keep following this dozer line. We'll come out the top where we want to be. Be careful, though. Oh, I think I agree with you, Lizzy. This isn't looking good. Let's turn around and go back. We'll check in with Johnny's daddy, see how things are going. I don't think we should be up here.
Oh no! What are we gonna do, Lizzy? We gotta get out of here.
Don't worry, I'll save them. Come on, guys. We'll get you back to safety. All we gotta do is go out this road right here, back to our engine. There we go, guys. We'll put you in here in the air conditioning where you're nice and safe. Then you don't have to worry about it.
Oh, thanks, Johnny's daddy. You're the best. Yay!
Why, thank you. We'll stay in here for now. Just remember, guys, if you see smoke or fire in the woods at any time, make sure you get back to safety and tell an adult right away. Right, Johnny? You know that, and we're doing just fine. We're putting this fire out, helping the people out here. I'll be home soon, buddy. Don't worry.